Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you're interested on other pairs, if you trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. After the market opening, we can see market or pound dollar trading at 1.3527. This is the current market price here. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar, then we see a green candle market or dollar trying to recover, but the market is not very promising right now. As we all know, during the first half of Monday, market usually remains flat and dull. So overall, there is not much movement in the market. But regarding DXY, I would like to mention one thing. Okay, that this level of 95.70 will be very crucial for DXY. Not only because of the previous price rejection from above, but this is also the Fibonacci retracement level here. And in addition, we also have the trend line coming up from top, acting as dynamic resistance for the market. So if we combine all the factors here, if we find DXY around this level at 95.70, it will be very difficult for US dollar DXY to cross the level. There is a possibility that DXY will be coming down again. Okay, because here we have a strong possibility of resistance, strong possibility of DXY facing some selling pressure again. To cross this level, DXY needs a big green candle. If that comes up, the game will change again. But otherwise, it will be very difficult for DXY. And as we all know that there is a correlation. When dollar goes up, we generally see GBP USD going down, and when dollar goes down, we generally see GBP USD going up. There are some other internal factors as well, but this is a correlation. And if you trade on dollar pairs, USD pairs, then yes, you should know about the movement and the body language of dollar very well. Okay, so this is the chart of DXY, and if you are looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff today and bore you again and again. Okay, so let's talk about the GBP USD here, and as you can see, the overall structure of the market has not changed at all. Okay, and during Mondays, I have seen that the movement usually comes. Okay, the level breaking movement usually comes on the US session only. Okay. Right now, market is standing at the 200 period moving average. In my chart, the red line is the 200 period moving average here, and market is trying to take support here, and this is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so as a result, market is trying to bounce here. If you already have a buy position, that I will tell you that yes, you can continue with the buy position. But if you are looking for a fresh buy position on GBP USD, if you really want to take, you can take with proper risk management. But otherwise, I will request you that in comparison to this level, you can wait for some time, and there is a possibility of market coming down to the level of 1.34, sorry, 1.3500. Okay, around this level or around 1.3480 level. Okay, we have a very strong support here. Why we have a strong support here? Because we have the 50 moving average period coming up. In my personal experience, I have seen 50 moving average works really well on the Forex time frame, and in addition to that, we also have the Fibonacci retracement level of 50%. For GBP USD, I have seen that Fibonacci 50% level also works very well. So if you combine these two factors, then yes, honestly speaking, I will prefer to go for a buy here right now. But yes, if you have a buy position, if you want to take some risk, this particular position is also not that bad. Okay, but whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Nobody can guarantee you anything on the market, so it's your duty as a trader to protect your capital. So do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Okay, anyways, this is a good level, and this is also a very good level if market bounces from here. And on the other hand, if market goes up, then yes, there is a good possibility of market reversing from the resistance zone at the top as well, because this is a strong resistance zone for the market right now. If you ask me, Abhilash, which is the strongest resistance zone where sellers are present, then I'll say that this level, 1.12, sorry, 1.3620 to 1.3600. This is a resistance zone. But as of now, market is trading here. Let's concentrate on these levels only. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on tomorrow.